So if you're watching this video, my guess is that your headphones don't look like this. Your headphones probably look a little bit more like this. So here, through age and use, the material has deteriorated and also the glue has given way. So let's get this swapped. So apologies in advance for this. The video that showed me taking off the ear pads I actually deleted by accident, but it's really easy. As you can see on the screen there on the right hand side, you have the ear pad that's been taken off and that sits over that edge of that circle there. So behind the ear pad there's a little plastic frame. So it's just a case of prising it away from that and then it will just slide out. So the first one went on with no issues. Seems quite firm on there. It's not going anywhere in terms of if it gets pulled or squashed. That one is done, so we're going to attack the other side. For the second ear pad, I was having major problems, as you can probably see by the video there. I was struggling. For some reason, that back piece didn't want to slide and slot into place. It actually turned out that the ear pad that I'd taken off had actually ripped and it actually had left the rim around it. So that's why the new ear pad wasn't slotting into place, because there was something obstructing it. So we had to then grab that and then just prise that out, and then it became apparent that that's exactly what it was. So when that obstruction has been removed, then it's just a case of putting that ear pad back on, securing it all the way around. Now it is fiddly, so it is worth watching the video to the end to see where you've got to hold it. Every single person's going to do this in a slightly different way, whatever feels most comfortable for yourself. But you want to slot it in, then hold it in that area, then slot the next section in, hold that, slot the next section in, hold that, and then eventually it will all just come together and you'll feel it all being secure. So I hope that gives your headphones a new lease of life. Please subscribe to the channel and please like the video. Thank you.